We are now approaching the Rocky Mount Supercharger in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Looks like it's right off the freeway. We shall find out. Exit 466, that would be us. Navigate on autopilot is doing its thing. We'll see if it gives up. It is not. Sweet. It's probably gonna throw it back to us right about now. No, but it wants to eat the curb, so we're gonna do it ourselves. I don't want to buy wheels. Okay, we'll hang it right. And then we've got to quickly get over to the left. Good thing it's midnight, so that's very easy to do. Alright, we'll take this first left. I remember this one. It was flooded out last time I tried to use it. This is the one I was talking about when I was at Fayetteville or Lumberton and couldn't remember if it was at a hotel or not. And this is the hotel I was thinking of. So here we are at Rocky Mount, North Carolina. It's got a weird shape to it, but it was fun. Wait, yes, it's got a weird shape to it, but it was fun. It's kind of attached to both the Texas Roadhouse and the hotel here, Doubletree. But that would be because the Texas Roadhouse is in the Doubletree. Look at that, we got a, is that a gray or the metallic? That's the metallic, like our old one. Yeah, titanium metallic. And so you see what I'm talking about here with this one having a weird shape. It's kind of like, well, if my camera was focused, I'm sorry about that. There we go. It's at like a V shape. It's got one pull in, and the rest are regular. Got 4A, 3B, oh sorry, 4B, 3B, 4A. Oh, this is unique, guys. This is unique. So I'm going to, once the Civic gets off my tail, I'm going to show you somehow it works. Anyway. No, he just didn't want to wait for me to turn around. No, he just. This doesn't look right. That's not right. That won't reach. Alright, so it looks like this is another one of the ones where the lines have been repainted in a super useful fashion. Or they were never painted right to begin with. That happens too. Anyway. Alright, we're going to Raleigh. 20 minutes. We'll get there at 0 if we leave right now. I'm not going anywhere at 0 in 37-degree weather. Alright, let's take a look at this. Stick, please. Alright, so here we can see we've got a Clipper Creek We got a Clipper Creek level 2 charger here, a pair of them. I think this was fun back in the roadster days. 4-hour limit. Oh, can't get much done on a Tesla with that. Yeah, these look like the 72 amp Clipper Creeks. They appear to have a number pad on them. I don't know if they are in use. Or if it even has power. Anyway, back to the Supercharger. So here you can see it's got a nice V shape. Alright, so super weird. You've got 1A and 2A right next to each other, and then 1B. What?
Can I see?
Yeah, he has issues.
Go back.
Anyway, so you've got 1A and 2A, 1B and 2B. So I think I see what they're going for there. It's just yet another unique Tesla Supercharger arrangement. And you've got 3A and 4A and 3B and 4B. So I think what they're going for here is for you not to have to worry about the car parked right next to you. But unlike that one in Burlington and the other one in wherever we just were, where they don't switch it up, it just makes figuring out who you're sharing a charge with a little more interesting. And as you see here, the lines are not painted to match the Supercharger stalls. So you gotta line it up with the signs themselves, at least on this side. And just like Burlington, they've recently switched out the cabinets from the old style, or not the cabinets, the pedestals from the old style to the new style. So the hotel is open all day, no holidays. Okay, we'll do the, no, it's after midnight. I don't want to freak anybody out with this big camera here. So we'll do the review, and we have enough to go to our next stop. We're at the Rocky Mount Supercharger, and I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. There's a decent amount of stuff to do nearby. It's all closed right now because it's 0:47 in the morning, but it's at a hotel, so you can go to the restroom all hours of the night. You can feel reasonably safe.
Cat?
Oh, cat. You can feel reasonably safe with... It is a cat. You can feel reasonably safe with your, taking a quick wink while you charge up. And like I said, this one's got a Texas Roadhouse steakhouse attached to the hotel. And there's several hotels nearby. I can't wait till I get to a 8 or 9 with no caveats. It's like you either get nothing that you can work with late night, or you get abundance of stuff during the day. Those are the same situation. Nothing that works late nights, or it works late night, but there is nothing around that works during the daytime. So I know there's got to be a place out there that works besides Delaware, which I am excited to show to you guys. Delaware and New Jersey. New York's probably in on it now by now too. But those will be pretty fun, and I look forward to showing them to you. So with that, before I start rambling in circles, let's call this Rocky Mount, North Carolina. The Supercharger is ramping up. The cooling. Anyway, we'll call this a 6 out of 10, and we will catch you at the next stop. And again, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys exactly how to get to the restroom like I like to do. But with the new camera, it being a pole, it being a weird shape and size, I don't want to freak any of the locals out. And so the last stop, she was you could tell she was eyeballing it. She was concerned about it, but she was a good sport, and so that was fun. Anyway, next time. Catch you on the flip side. Fun little bit of trivia. Last time I was here at Rocky Mount, I was listening to a podcast about the extinction of bananas. So I learned that the bananas that I grew up with were not the same bananas that my grandparents grew up with. And it might explain why they enjoyed their bananas and I thought that mine were disgusting. Not that any of this has anything to do with supercharging, except that that's what was going on, and that's why I remembered this place, but could not quite place where it was. Well, there you go. Catch you later.